ass though.
Man, we're gonna get sick, man.
We gotta get going.
Yeah, we're gonna get sick for sure. I kind of feel it now.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, okay. Ah, fuck.
No, hold on. Your box is all ruined now. Your box is all ruined. Hey, you done drinking, man.
What, bro? Why we use my car, man?
Fuck the car, man. We're leaving the car.
I think we should just walk out, bro. Right? Right when he started to right? Let's just walk out, bro.
Oh my gosh, bro. Look at our shoes.
The six might be touching.
Yeah, I feel like we should do.
Yeah, I think we should just walk up.
I'm just gonna throw this away.
Yeah.
Let's throw this away.
Is it? I gotta wash my hands.
You want to keep this or just make another one? We'll just make another one.
Yeah, make another one. Okay. Maybe we just pour it.
Oh, napkin!
Napkin's done already.
Throw it away.
Man, umbrella's no use anymore, man. Just take it out. I just can't carry anything with that.
You keep it on though, man. You got all the electronics.
I think
William, use this. This one's bigger. William,
actually,
this one's bigger. I don't need it, man. It's too late.
Put the bag in the car. The bag? Yeah, I don't know.
We can put this in the back of the car.
Okay, one time, one person
we would
just
just
carry
walk
it on.
out.
We put it all in your car and you can just drive yourself.
Yeah, we will
We
just
just
walk
walk.
out.
That's what it's
My car gonna get wet.
No, this back. It's not gonna be that wet. The back. Hey, give me the water bottle.
Well, just take that out. Just take this thing out. And film it.
Huh?
Just take the umbrella out.
We're leaving no stuff, man.
Okay, someone carry the umbrella. Tom, you gotta take the cap. We can come back. We can come back one more round. We don't have to carry it once. We can come back. Hey, sorry, say hi. How you feeling, man? Oh, I see your back muscle though. Look at look at those demons. Hey, look at you. It's our host. Hey, all right, let's go. Woo! Guys, we're having fun. This is how you have fun, guys, in the rain, you know. When you're trying to make barbecue and it starts raining, the weather says it's not gonna rain. Georgia is a liar. Oh, shake that hair. Oh, yes. This is Tarzan. Oh. We are like soaking wet right now. This is crazy. Hey, how you feeling? How you feeling?
My socks are wet.
Huh?
My socks are wet.
Guys, report Georgia weather, okay? They're really bad. Look at us. Oh my gosh. I'm literally carrying like a whole bag of food. There's water on my back, there's water on my shirt. Woo! Are you liking it? Guys, we love rain. Woo!
Still hot. It's actually still hot. We just put it down.
Here, check these.
Don't the pole we got carried. Still.
There's more meat too. There's more meat.
Go back.
Sorry, let me see your abs. Let me see those abs. Hey, let me see those abs.
I don't
No abs.
too much. Ain't too much.
Someone poop for me. I can't move.
I'll take yours. I'll take the umbrella.
You hold it.
Yes, sir! Take it off! Take it off! You put everything on him.
Huh?
You put everything.
Oh. Put it in. No, just carry the noodle, bro. Wait, it's locked. Hey! It's locked. It's locked.
Oh my god!
No!
Oh my god! What the fuck? Oh my god!
Wait, it's the front.
Okay, it's open. It's open. The front's open. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh! We almost locked the door.
Don't open all the way. Don't open all the way.
There's more meat.
Wait,
Oh,
Where's opening? Where's open?
all right. Shirtless guy. Shirtless guy.
I think some. You can see here. Hold on. We ain't gonna
Hey, check out. Oh! Hey, wait, you gotta check it out. For the content. Oh! This man shredded. Oh, look at that. Let me see. Check out your pants. Alright guys, they're gonna come back later. They're gonna come back later. Oh my god. This is not what we expected. It's raining everywhere. We are soaking wet. Like, look at me. I'm carrying all the devices, like phone and all stuff. I'm cold. I'm getting sick tonight. We are so done. We are so done.